So this is how you remove the glass on this mirror. It's heated, and I think mostly the right side of the car breaks, the heating element breaks very often. So notice there's two shapes, 2001, 2009, there's two shapes of mirror. The one that goes with a corner here, and I think the other one it's just a tad smaller, the corner is more like that. And they are not interchangeable, the glass is not interchangeable. So this is how you remove the glass. Press it with your hand, don't force on it, pull it a little bit more until it doesn't feel like it moves again, and then I'm gonna grab it on the side, sorry for the shaking camera, and I'm just going to pull. I'm going to pull and advance like this. So pull it until you hear a clack, just keep it pulling and then advance. And now the right side, it's free. Now you need to push it like this, push it towards the car. You may want just to maybe press here, but mine it's already free. And maybe just press this guy like that, and you should be ready to free it. You notice there's a spring in here. This is one model of the mirror has a spring, and the spring goes there. The spring goes right there, right? This long metal thing goes right in there, and it's just. And then you need to undo the connectors. Be really careful. I suggest keeping with the pliers on one side. Don't pull on this because you're gonna break the heating element. And now I'm gonna go ahead and test it, see if it still works. I need to get my multimeter here somewhere. There you go. It's buried. Alright, let's put this guy on 2K ohms. We are testing a resistance on it. And you need actually, if it works, you need to see some numbers. I think it's 1 point something, but the number is gonna drop to 0 right away. Doesn't matter if you see the number 1 something or 0.9, it means it's good. If you see just 0, it's not good. So sorry guys, I'm just working with one hand. You see, I'm not even disconnecting it from there. I'm just taking my time to do the video. I just put the wire in there, and there's another wire. Try to just show you guys. Alright, let's touch the other side. So I don't see any numbers here. It doesn't change at all. It means it's dead. It's busted. It's not worth removing it. So it's not worth removing this. So I'm gonna leave it there. But you need to see, I don't remember exactly the number. It doesn't matter the number. You just need to see 0.9 or 1 point something, and then it suddenly drops to 0. It means the mirror, the heating element is good. But this one is already dead. It's not good. Okay, so just want to show this. That's my driver's side who's working properly. The heating element works. Just showing you guys the numbers here. So like I said, the one that didn't work, it won't change, it will stay 0. And let's see this one what does. So this should be showing numbers for a second, like you see. Yeah, it's 1.9 K. So kilo ohm. Let's try again. Come on. Go for it, baby. So anyhow, as long as you see numbers there, the wires are more or less in contact properly. But as long as you see those numbers and then it drops to 0, it means the mirror, the heating element works fine. So you can grab that and replace the one on your car which is faulty. Okay, now as for putting it back in place, this model with the clip here, you just insert it there, and then you look there. You really want to insert that side fully, so look carefully. It has to go deep in there. Sorry, it has to go deep in there, right? Be careful, look careful, otherwise it won't engage. So really engage it. Let me see if you can see that. Engage it really nicely there and really completely there, right? So when it's like that, it's fully engaged. You just pull on it, pull, and then press against the other side here. Not sure I can see it properly. Press against the other side and engage it here till it's gonna snap. So if it doesn't snap, it's because you didn't engage it on the other side, but just pull it, and like that, now it's secured. So it's not so bad, sorry. Make sure it's engaged properly, like deeply here, and then you just pull and just press against the back plate and clip it. It's not so hard, but don't force on it, otherwise it's gonna break. To disconnect those two electrical connectors, these are really tough to remove from there, so I use this cutter to keep it at the base. You may just want to lift a little bit the rubber insulator. So I grab this at the base like this. Keep it well so you don't force on the heating element. And then I will lift with the pliers. I'll just pull with the pliers, give it a good pull. So keep it from moving from the mirror, and just like that. Repeat the other side. There's two connectors, one it's one wire, the other is two wires. This is the right side mirror. The one wire one goes here near the spring, and the two wires goes there. So don't switch them, put them back in place the right way.